how to upload your CV on LinkedIn. Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to link your LinkedIn account, your CV to your LinkedIn, so that you can start getting tax on every platform you are earning on. So this is what you're going to go to your profile. Okay, you're going to go over to jobs. Okay, once you are jobs, you're going to click on preference. Okay, you can click on preference. Once you're on preference, you see over here my interest. You can feed that if you want to, but come over to my qualification, resumes. Okay, now you're going to upload your resume. So another word for resume is CV. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You can toggle this if you want to. Now upload resume. Make sure you read and understand this. You're going to upload your resume over here. Click on that upload, and you're going to select your resume which you've saved on your device, whether it's your laptop or your phone device. Upload your CV, your resume, upload it. I'm going to upload mine, and now I have successfully uploaded mine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to save it. Just click done. It's going to pop up over here that I have put it. Okay, and that is it. That's just literally how to upload your CV to your LinkedIn account. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notification bell if you're just joining us. Okay, I teach you how to make money online. So that's just how to put your CV. Very simple. You can watch the video again, drop a comment, and let me know where you find it difficult. Now you can join my communities. Let's start making money on Outlier, Handshake, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's, guys, this is my LinkedIn account, and that's just basically it. I'll catch you on my other videos. Keep making money, and don't forget to check out my recent videos online.